Oh my god, Gora hi Gora. Sin the low hai. Gora hi Gora yaar. Sin how dam ho. Si from the Korean ba brother?
Sira,
Kamnong. Kamjong District of Kamnong.
White House.
Beautiful. It's especially from MNYO involved. MNYO tong president tong farm. Why tinggal itu?
After the 15th finish walk today, your maker then we loom later some of some of the issue that the yoke. Tourism like by Taka, the officer G, some Kawai, Kawai, it will lay here. So now be certainly. We run in a loom, show me that at me show. Kasaka Psycho and then remain and now we done and a loom, show me no then the mean of delay. Galakili, Jam and quick wire. Shake Mushak back to run some delay. We run and a loom, show me that. Hina it among rooms and sun below. Galat. Shin Moko Kiwi. Drag some Hugson room, some Sinalpana and sunset Milo. Shimanka high tuck and sunset Milo there. Rerun the means in the opponent, naming the scene to Manga, I night in the Shamilo. Run away the king and a Vimilo day to one for state here. Akmonchen now we are a property shoot the meeting the opponent.
Amen. So MNYO team pushing the festival gala papa. So yes. Music program home yon ba chato right? We'll be like trekking for I think around 30 minutes. So and when I reach the spot I'll tell you guys and I'll show you the flowers. This is our MNYO team. No network, nothing. We're on the way to sing. On the way to Kazingmalum. Pushing area di ba area oy ko? Mayam labiro nga siyahan ba edition noy na flowers gi may kay matorani. Festival sa horani. So this is the first edition. Na matang adong tahi ko ding lai ni. So I will show the flower later and the village and the beautiful scenario. So till then video to meaning the view. Look at the stones, big rock. See things they boy kind of the gather is it. See things they young for the dry. See her foggy the oil red. See the car go by the night how the red but eventually talk to Yung Hotel Adventure. My god, si Bami yung power talaga siya. Kasi, oh, yung hoy di, yung food dito siya yung record dito. Kasi yung sinong asaw mo siya. Oh my god, sinong siya ito. Hoy, si matak si trekking to dito niya. Kasi Switzerland sa manar hey. Yes, why to go Switzerland if we have this? What was it jagah se? Oi. Hey, my. Beautiful, yeah. See from say. Say. So good, yeah. My god. See matak sila ko na trekking daw daw rin siya. Matak siya. Oi. 와우, 바다이네 시디. 바다 들어 심품 되고. 솜도 이싱 따봐 아득이 거세. 이싱 내면 하더라. 와우. How's this place?
The place is more better than what they call Pahalgam.
Yes.
This is Switzerland of Manipur.
Beautiful.
Land of Misty Mountain.
Oh,
This area is all owned by a village called Pushing.
pushing.
So they are going to keep on pushing.
Yes, keep on pushing to the development and growth. Yes. Not great ako from the spot. View faza so yang pray more to come. 지금 뭐 바자바자가 세 거의 tourism 이 사이드 잉신 브리딩 야나 바자가니. Like atop bazaga sa masuk tisu mudra simjil digo he na kun gisu kana ba dunga Manipur gisu dung kana ba pulap gini ba kana ro rise si patara yung Misty green. Wow. Kami ano sila project koy team show sila sino kay President MNYO and Imphal Unit ki President. So we are going from here, no? Ooh, CD ordinary ding amuro. 지금 사카라가 어저께 스포트에 나이 가방 문이 여든 당분간 못 잡을게요. When there is a, I repeat, it is in pushing called Kazingmalum, Mount Kazingmalum. Oh my God, so beautiful. Kau kagan ni go, pa. Okay, let's go. Tahu dah punya kau ni, pelap tahu dah punya. Pushing Kamjong District. Wah, it's very beautiful. Pasal ikon pamse. How is it? How is it? Zik Laura. Okay.
Just film here.
Okay, what do you call this? Rice beer?
How do you call it in your dialect? In your dialect?
Some. How is it?
It tastes like what you call wrong way, tin pui, no?
Oh, acha.
Ting bi.
Ting bi.
Tastes like it.
This one, nang taste daw do yan.
Taste wala.
Yan taw pheda. Kira ko tila. Ay yan ni. Ay pani lo.
Drinking is injurious to health. Como se? Como one shot. 1, 2, 3. Bamboo wooden do.
Lig glass to the cup.
Ligli देखो नगा के नती है
Ay, aware shu. So to nga di. Photo kano to nga di.
आई द पापा
Yeah, maybe see.
Movie ba
Ako to.
Zik sita car ba ho re maya. Love chan de hoy. Trekking ho re. We are on the track. Hendak sa hiting am car ko ay. Chiro sing car e. Chiro hiting car e. Kasi sisu car e. ꯆꯤꯡꯒꯤ ꯆꯍꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯇꯧꯔꯦ ꯑꯪꯀꯜꯒꯤ ꯃꯤꯡ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯤꯌꯨꯅꯦ ꯑꯁꯥꯡꯀꯣ ꯑꯣꯀꯦ ꯁꯤ ꯀꯥꯕꯁꯦ like ꯂꯩꯁꯦ ꯀꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯍꯧꯕ꯭ꯔꯣ like ꯌꯥꯝ ꯍꯧꯕ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯒ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯍꯧꯋꯦꯕꯀꯣ
ꯁꯤ ꯃꯈꯥꯗꯒꯤ ꯍꯧꯔꯒꯅꯤ
ꯑꯣꯀꯦ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ
ꯆꯤꯡ ꯐꯥꯎꯕ
ꯀꯔꯤ ꯃꯇꯝ ꯐꯥꯎ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯁꯤ ꯍꯧꯕꯁꯦ like ꯑꯗꯨꯗꯒꯤ ꯍꯧꯔꯒ ꯊꯥ ꯀꯌꯥꯃꯨꯛ ꯆꯠꯄ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯃꯣꯏ
ꯃꯥꯁꯤ
ꯖꯨꯂꯥꯏ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯖꯨꯂꯥꯏꯅꯤꯅ
ꯑꯥꯒꯁ ꯁꯦꯞꯇꯦꯝꯕꯔ ꯐꯥꯎꯕ
ꯐꯥꯎꯕꯀꯣ ꯑꯣꯀꯦ ꯁꯣ
ꯁꯤ ꯂꯣꯏꯔꯒ ꯁꯝꯃꯔ ꯑꯃꯨꯛꯀ ꯑꯃ ꯂꯩ ꯑꯃ
ꯂꯩ ꯑꯇꯣꯞꯄ ꯃꯆꯥ ꯂꯩꯌꯦꯕ
ꯍꯣꯏ
ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯃꯃꯤꯡ ꯀꯔꯤ ꯀꯧꯕ
ꯃꯥꯗꯨꯗꯤ ꯃꯃꯤꯡꯁꯨ
ꯂꯩꯇ꯭ꯔꯦꯕꯀꯣ ꯑꯣꯀꯦ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯀꯤꯁꯤꯅ
ꯁꯤꯅ Kazingwon
Kazingwon ꯑꯣꯀꯦ ꯑꯣꯀꯦ ꯒꯥꯏꯁ ꯍꯣꯔꯦꯟ ꯎꯠꯆꯔꯒꯦ ꯂꯩꯗꯣ ꯀꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯇꯧꯕ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯨꯀꯣ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯄ꯭ꯂꯦꯟ ꯉꯥꯛ ꯐꯪꯉꯦ ꯁꯣ ꯃꯊꯛ ꯀꯥꯕꯁꯨ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯀꯨꯏꯗꯦ It's a good place beautiful ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯔꯝꯒꯅꯤ ꯐꯩ ꯑꯊꯨꯝꯕ ꯊꯛꯄꯗꯣ ꯐꯩ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯁꯤ ꯂꯣꯏ ꯊꯣꯛꯈ꯭ꯔꯕꯅꯤ ꯁꯤꯗ ꯍꯨꯃꯥꯡꯗ
ꯈꯔ ꯊꯨꯝꯕ ꯊꯛꯄꯗꯣ ꯄꯥꯡꯒꯟ ꯐꯪꯕꯅꯦ
ꯑꯗꯨꯅꯦ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯃꯊꯛꯇ ꯑꯣꯛ ꯃꯍꯥꯎꯗꯣ ꯑꯣꯛ ꯆꯥꯁꯟꯕ
Hey, I think we reach halfway. Still more to go.
Hey, wrong lah kuni. Tadan thai kami di dia. Sure tadan noi sina. Dua dah Bible sabam sini. These are all grown wild here. Okay. These are grown wild here. But this is being sold in the market. It's tasty. You can have a taste. Come on. You feel it in this.
This is Tadan Thai.
So I will show you when you put up. Okay. It's very tasty, yeah. The peeling of this one. And this one.
Okay. See, loimak chadobna natra.
This one. I don't know.
Okay.
Tasty. Yummy.
So it is sida yam hore si wai je. Si mo paming ang hore. Mai de lon da kai ko ma hang ni si koi tadan thai hai na hai. Mai de. Chai jai bu ting karo na tam ma le. Ting ni ka khala ise je to je. Chiro yu. Mahadev. Jing na. Si jing je. I love trekking, bro. It's good for health too. Exploring new place. But today is special because I want to see a new species of flower. That's the thing. I'll show you guys later. Ngam hey. Oi. Cái gì nó lao xuống đó. Bây giờ hộp cái gì đấy. Wow. Nada. Wabra.
Refreshingly cool.
Okay. Mình sumi yam lại. Chalo, let's go.
After maybe.
Switzerland ka cha thôi, we mau vai thế đâu. Người ta làm gì thay mấy nhiều hoài nào. Người ta không giảm cái. How am I going? It's so pleasing, you know. So beautiful. Look at that, bro. And foggy. Gora. Nice. Ooh. Why didn't it? Vậy là ngăn thôi mấy thế này. Why? I'll show you guys some thing. Look at that, it's a bee. My God. Câu tàu khá là đúc lối, tôi cũng lối thế nổi thành âm thế. Warble. I'm warble. Sao mà đi một giờ free rất lề đấy. Vậy headman. Service is in ngoài bro.
Ngoài. Nằm mang một chân thôi à. Đi control tàu rồi nè.
Yes.
Pizza rồi đi mua xoay.
Lại em khá đây số. ngoài re tần lần lùi theo ngoài tần đánh bắt đấy very good ngoài đây
mà thiên chân là
wow
Look there. I'm telling there.
oh beautiful
Yeah.
chị lấy xin cô giấy cô gì ấy mày làm lấy đủ cho rồi cái cô bắt giờ này cô 1 2 3 gee all flowers see what see đây mình làm gì so you can see all the flower this is the flower okay six pink ni gee beautiful muốn buông hồ gai thì cái bông hay thâu sâu cái đây chị lối nó mà khảo vào lối nào hầu ấy có gì bao tu chị siri đi cắt xa bằng đồ cái siri đi okay this is in Kamjong District okay beautiful look at this hey muốn chỉ để thâu mày đây ạ có gì kèm dầu rê or kem đây okay đi nhé không dầu rê this is the place that we're gonna be there the popularly the festival kita tu hamba macam orang suka tahu vậy yang tu lebih orang yang besar yang wow so ide and si mapa ada lagi di flowers ya Chiang per aku pun lagi ni flowers pun ada lagi flowers tu yang besar so yeah it's good so good you guys should come and check it out once in the platform yeah apa program kita ni saya kita program our team is over there so yeah oh siapa bro lebih sini wah bro
신아마 외래되나 랜스케이프지 신탁다마 레리 아니 레리 톱 톱니 아도 못한 그럼체 동 샷내가 동 쳐 그래 봐
chị lấy gì cô
신아 하우냐 뭐고 시대 동 샷내가 동 못한 그럼체 동 깔깔깔 동 내 질기나
오 대박 chị đấy 오 lấy chín lấy số túc phải đi very beautiful
Please go and stand on the rock.
sea landscape itu apa sih?
You stand on the rock and
Tu si lai ngata ni ko se. Kabang lao na ni hawai si. All covered ching dong hei ka zao hei mun re chu mai cover zone ni si. It's very beautiful. See? Beautiful. Camera ka ro ko nai the ken ma thuk te lai re. Program event phom do ko. Sina si lai ngata. Oh no, God, the lorry so the landscape. Look at this landscape. Oh my God. Cooking is happening right now here. And this is the catering unit. Catering. Yeah.
some food. Good. Yeah. They are waiting for us, no? See, koi mi ambu ngai ka si sang sili bini. No si am waram gini ko. Wa de. Waram sin ngai. Adu ne koi pam bu do. Waram sin ngai ba hai bini. Ma ai sen mi am ngai ka lai re. Ka ka program ho re ni ko.
So this is the program zone. Let's see. So the first launch program of Kazingwon at Mount Kazingmalum Pushing Village. So this is the first launch program. I'm going to put everyone is gathering. The hunting buffalo program already was it.
Rain so me da, I want the two one da. Talakina, later clay here. Itum nam tamu ida shitin laga. Itum. Yang kita, homba memintin nate. Adu ngaran hanchi na leba matamda lekiba mamine machina. Lekiba mamine. Adu ga mashi yang angak pedi. Kramana. Mashiki definition mashiki arthashi lothograbdi Kazingmalum hierarchy heaven wherever part of heaven haina atubu madu yamna pawani kramana heaven no hartogetuno mashi habitugo atubu mashi adum yam kano tobidinate atu valley kapor valley da leba kambu habitare atoppa ukru district atoppa mashi chingda Leba Kambugi Shiki Mrata, Koporveli Diki, Equi Jin Kimapang Ubushi, Atopa Lebra Ledra Emadudi Kude. Ado Ahanchina, Matamamada, Equi Diki in Power Cruchatiaba, Barmata Chata. Adun Barmata Telaga Yemba Matamdu, Pushingi Kumati Ude. Adu Ubushi Mashiki location area Shiwuba. Aduna June, July, August, September. Mashidi pura primeto weba. Adu amuka November, December didi yellow wetopa. Adu na Kapor Valley da leba machine sina 3 hydra hydra as whole munba hore. Whole look on the murke tore. Have you seen heat trickle, madu atumana layer, maduna amani. Anis the boy. Chin china young on the lebagi. Uba one eba. Atuna tripti uru eba ko. Parmati ki genre mashi uba fangit panete eba. Adu mashi ubishina. Eko na shur hek jemba da last skyline. Horizon shida. Wherever eko ki jemba da ubushiko. Adu na parmati ki probability ki jemba matamda. Skyline horizon shida. Uba matamchi. Last matuda uba. Last matuda. Eko ki uchi ki kiting mon kiting mulungshi uba. Adu na hanchin na hai. Ai ko chumba chundo eko shu matu haibang mundego. Adu bo ko area chi location shida ek ubada. Asu yemban na tumni do. Asu yengi do. Adu na yenkap ni na heaven the labor hardni hain matu haine. Adu ga mafamashida haibatare. Adu mashimang haibi lede. Adu Kazingmalum haiba mafam ashida. Non churu shu chotokba. Non churu shu yodba mafam leye. Hain matu kumba esamba ama ahamchina haye. Adu matu kumba kitrikoto matamamada ahamchina haye. Kazingmalum chikuwe parma valley digi yemba matamda uba pange. Adu na valley da leba kambushina. Asuchi di phau lokpa hore phau mumba hore jinda haibisi mashida mashi ubagi matam da green wire ka amuka yellow thobudo madun matam wire hana madu kumdo ama dum hana balle
Duna mina nangi mateng chu egi mateng chu ma mateng chu we na yaulaga koi chokkat ki domina akoi sumaina promotion khara nang na khara promotion tawbiba ena khara tawbiba egi friend egi media singbu khara for promotion tawrabdi akoi achawa sangna government level digi atoba achawa sangi level digi khangraga government no so os maphamsi tourism mapham oire buncha singida hunchida jogon sanpilba yade habsi through sumaina tourism promotion tawraga chokhat ki dabnina noi mayam da chu hunchigi angamba ngamdabu am leide Coaching noi chang da chu khangramni lambi ji chi chikpo lambi ji kunji gi dumuk phajaba scenery ko ching asimu phajaba adum thakda leisu shad hali adu hochi phawa lambi yaudeba aduna lambi yauningai haibsi development lakningai haibsi akoi no koi na tarati kana topi gi doi no hana noi sida lakoi muyam ei amna ngai no pi bu kari pi mangamoi adu noi bu shona board pi daga koi kunji gi shu noi na khra khallaga chawningai hati ka to bio hati ei mai kai diga adu khatang khai daga ei
Pastor, we get a hunting, then and young children. Akwai da si dang si pun halip si, ko ko yang tagalip, may God bless your village. Ay na, akwai uzat to yung mga YouTube mo, akwai kung isi to. Na mga na ay na siya ito. Dari ginwag na katambra ay. Muslim singtip, Misty hazard nego mai kuma tamane atu whatsapp ma nai no lei si hengman gre hengman le means mapham din nang chawa mapham ti ko sina pana chawa kom na unya wan thon ba sidana amuk noi Kazingwon hai Kazingmalum da sat pan nei si Kazingwon ko aduna mamin jo sina heta chana pra hai noi noi ning thau si ai pakhang oi ring ai phang mane monda ai hojia ko pakhang oi ring da khang ram ni hen noi ni so still then apai tum lak ni aduna oza thona lambi di wai hai wai ge wa sino ta se sini aduna sidi lambi problem kha le di hai na Maki halaga za athot nenge murup amale 9 sector together go maunda nenge sector tongale ador suna pressure to be oil application number 3 kilometers approach to sembio hena that was in April aina nahan hangba ganda 10 sector da pigre proposal to aina haire aduna sisu ungsung khwai mayam so prasna tongbiyo hai se hai ne
angande adubu khunna sigi using village asigi ningthau kungi chairman secretary my ben jinina koi aigi mapang sing youth sing mafam asida leiramba ubada akhodi akhodi imphal da leiraga as gari makon manung da leiraga sida lapadi aidi pumak ngakhibane anda aina chahi time panchu bada ai ukul district che ai yamna sarpane ba adubu adumaina ude adu ngasidi asumaina uba sida ai wasi yamna nganglo ja BCC na loina ngangre adubu mafam asidi kanna tourism spot ama oina koi development amadi tawhongsi development je kanana tawgani kunna hana tawgani aduda ekoina physically financially yamna ngamdraga su ekoi su yamjage haibase masida hairaga
ai chokida tamili le takureki saibona nane samka haya yu pin saibona nale sochkat takureki ache pin tongna ya when I took the cycle of the cooking Galaka own protecting the you draw when it's naked only room to the farm
so good. Why? It's lunch timing. So everyone is preparing lunch here. Lunch mọi người thế em chắc chắn ngày có lắm. Lunch hour. Brother Lansin. Cao kìa. How bro? Okay, one. This is the food. Cả cái lỗ này. Yum Joe, yum Joe. Hey, cái buồng thì để thao mới hay gì? Sing giàu hay là gom đồng thì gì? Tôi nói không chứ. Hey, chin để giàu thế. Oh, foggy. Beautiful yaar. Wow, đấy. The pink uri miyam se. Si flower nga tani ko to sumaka da so. Fazay yam hoy. Chingmai se. Low in flowers na cover to ba. So beautiful. This is the flower, okay? Let us see. Fazay yung tak se. Oh, flowers na tani to silers. All flowers. So beautiful. This place need to go viral, yaar. It's been how good is out there. Beautiful. Mun puang to. Chỉ hay mun puang để thao mấy thao thôi. This is the flower that I was talking about earlier. Okay. So beautiful. See. Cozy up on car. Yes, flowers too. Deco flowers. Sing pie, sing zao ji. Hey munukum. Hey gungam dong ni. Everything is covered by this flower, okay? So beautiful. This place needs to go viral. Why tourism departments? Why everybody is silent for this year? Okay, you know. Hey, posunda. Beautiful. Chin rồi gục tu cũng am hết tao ni chin mai ta color pain palle. Sin par kan ta. Ya Hawaii rang na loi the a tho kai gang ni ha am no coming home. Ai kho bam do the. The time go kai go salau the ai kam khit the. Zo tu noi ko. Camping ni bang ai ban the kho. Very good spot for camping also. Jing ni paina steep su mai na ha bo. Okay. Fazay, này rồi. Yang tu, हम से पता रहा trekking चला जी को सी हम जैसा करता हूँ trekking करता हूँ लेकिन like you don't wanna come back again ना but this one is a really total different feeling, okay? You always feel like coming back again. As I see things that according to locals, flower ani hawe hai, husing na see pink cha hawe hai ko, color ga yellow cha hawe hai ba. So very beautiful. See flower nga tani sim fakse ura. Tower na hai pine tree ko hi si. Thingmang ne ka bang ko flower. Makada flower ko sim ta tu pine tree nga tang thata plan lai hai phasa do ma le mafam ko phasa se har nu pra it's very beautiful, you know. Chala kan da hoi trekking to ba le ja ne amor cha kari yar ha bo khol do le te ba you feel like coming again and again, you know. I'm still in the spot right now, but I want to visit again because so good flowers, pine trees, and a beautiful scenario, everything is enriched here. So good. This should go viral, okay? Please guys, share this as soon as much as you guys can. Let's go. Okay lang na loi the. Beautiful. Hai ni ngai thau ta dre.
Bokul ji anata olem ji lim ma lai na.
Aduh kasi pine tree su he na phasai hiap tin ma se. Look at this beautiful flowers. And they see flower ngat ne ko se. Everywhere flower, see? Everywhere flower. Very beautiful. with this pine tree, it just adds something else, you know. Pine tree is masala ko mane phasai sida.
How far?
Very beautiful, yeah. This place is amazing. Everyone should visit once in a lifetime. What once in a lifetime? When you be here, you know, you'll feel like coming again because you'll see lots of like pine trees mixed with these flowers all over the ground. It's so good. The hills are not that steep also. When you're not home, you know, it's very fun, you know. Love it. So I'm from top of the mountain. Look at this view. Those pine trees, flowers, skies, amazingly beautiful. Yeah, photo sessions happening right here. What was it?
Ai ming a port kai tang ai na chik liep ri bisi pushing village ki jington mathak dani jington sigi maming di Kazingmalum haina kaubuni si jington mathak sida lei si tama shaduna leire adu mafam lei si du Kazingwon haina koi tangko maronda local dialect Kazingwon haina kawe jington sigi maming si tolaga adu lei si July first week to last July thamadi shadle adu na koi Manipur da leiriba ichin nong yang chati khaidana toina la noi jengtiwo haina lei si mayam bo pil dawni no phamdi pushing village Kamjong District.
Trekking the Ray, explore the Ray of music halle. So guys, do come and check out. It's a very good place. You won't regret. So very si lei sa pa si ko si mathak ki chai zoom tau gitu to si mo ton se si da pine tree manung da oi do ne mo lei sa pa do si gi mo gi ranges ni ko si se fazai very beautiful. Pushing Kamjong District, Pushing village fazai green area ko so beautiful.